Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Physics Mathematics Hub, your go-to channel for solving physics mathematics problems. In today's video, we are solving fourth numerical problem from 10th class physics textbook, unit 11, sound. Here is the problem. What sound intensity level in decibels is produced by earphones that create an intensity of 4 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 watt per meter square. Use the usual reference level of intensity, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12 watt per meter square. Stick around to find out, and by the end of this video you will understand how to calculate sound intensity like a pro. First, let's write down the given data. We are given that intensity of the sound is 4 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 watt per meter square, and the usual reference level is 1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12 watt per meter square. We need to calculate the sound intensity level in decibels. Let's start solving the problem. To find out the sound intensity level, we use the following formula. Beta is equal to 10 log of I divided by I naught decibel, where beta is the sound intensity level, I is the given intensity of the sound, and I naught is the usual reference sound intensity. Plugging the values in the above formula, we get beta is equal to 10 log of 4 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 watt per meter square divided by 1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12 watt per meter square into decibel. Solving the ratio, we get beta is equal to 10 log of 4 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 plus 12. Beta is equal to 10 log of 4 multiplied by 10 to the power 10 decibel. Here we use formula log of A multiplied by B is equal to log of A plus log of B. We have log of 4 multiplied by 10 to the power 10. So in the next step we are using the given formula. Beta is equal to 10 log of 4 plus log of 10 to the power 10 decibels. Here log of 10 to the power 10 with base 10 is equal to 10 log of 10. So we get beta is equal to 10. 0.602 is the value of log of 4 plus 10 log of 10. Log of 10 with base 10 is equal to 1. So we get beta is equal to 10 0.602 plus 10. Adding 0.602 and 10, we get 10 multiplied by 10.602 decibel Multiplying 10 to 10.602, we get 106.02 decibel, which is the required sound intensity level produced by the earphones. In conclusion, we calculated that the sound intensity level produced by the earphones with an intensity of 4 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 watt per meter square is 106.02 decibel, which is very loud. This shows how even small devices like earphones can produce sound levels that approach the threshold of safe hearing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your physics lover friends, subscribe to Physics Mathematics Hub, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching Physics Mathematics Hub. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.